how to restart Monopoly Go. So this is very easy to do. I'm going to show you two methods. For the first one, all you have to do is scroll up until you see your apps, and then you just want to close the app itself and reopen Monopoly Go. And if you want to be completely sure that it is going to count as a restart, you can also go into your phone settings. And then here, we'll just use the search bar to search for iPhone storage. Click on the option that pops up right here. You want to find the Monopoly Go app. So from the list of applications, just find Monopoly Go, click on it, and then offload the app. After you have offloaded the app, reinstall it. This is not going to cause you to lose any of your data. It is all going to be saved. So just click on reinstall, reopen the app, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.